Hi, I'm Brenden, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of your Cooper&Hunter mini-split unit. Let's start by turning it on. To switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit, press the up and down buttons at the same time. Use the same arrows to adjust your desired temperature. To adjust your fan speed, press the fan speed button. You have 4 options: low, medium, high, and auto. You also have turbo. Turbo mode will turn off automatically after 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the modes. Cool and heat modes are self-explanatory. In fan mode, you can set the fan speed, but not the temperature. This is useful for general airflow. In auto mode, the unit will choose to cool or heat, depending on which is needed to achieve the set temperature. In dry mode, the units cool the room slightly while removing humidity from the air. To adjust the louvers, press the vertical swing button. Every time you press it, the louver will adjust. If you press and hold the swing button, the unit will display on and the louvers will move automatically. To activate silent operation, press the silent button. The unit will display on and the fan speed will drop down. To set the follow me function, press and hold the follow me button. An icon will appear on the remote to let you know that the feature is activated. Once this feature is activated, the unit will read the temperature around the remote. You will also see that the remote will show the ambient temperature around the remote. To set the temperature, press the up and down arrows. You will see that the temperature on the remote changes to the set temperature. It will jump back to the room temperature. The indoor unit will also show the set temperature. When using this function, the remote should be kept in a position so that it can communicate with the unit. It's best to keep the remote facing the unit and not resting on a dark surface, because dark colors can absorb the infrared signal. To set the unit to turn on at a specific time, press the timer on button. Every time the button is pressed, the timer will increase by 30 minutes. Once the timer has been set, the unit will display on and the remote will show an icon. The timer off function works the same. To set sleep mode, press the sleep button on the remote before going to bed. When in cool mode, the unit will increase the temperature by 2 degrees after 1 hour and will increase an additional 2 degrees after another hour. In heat mode, it works the same, except the temperature decreases instead of increasing. The sleep mode will hold the new temperature for 7 hours before turning the unit off automatically. When you are ready to turn off the unit, press and hold the self-clean button. The unit will display an SC. This feature is to help dry out the evaporator so it can prevent any mold buildup. After 16 minutes of the operation being on, the unit will automatically turn off. Our units can also be controlled through iOS and Android devices. All you need is a Wi-Fi kit. To learn more about it, click this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any other questions regarding our Cooper&Hunter units, drop a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.
Cooper&Hunter, Comfort Innovations.